Empower your Laravel application with seamless, secure online payments by integrating the world's leading payment gateway, Stripe. Today, we're diving deep into how you can integrate Stripe into your Laravel projects, making it incredibly easy for your users to pay. You will cover everything from the initial setup to handling transactions securely. First, you'll need a Stripe account. Once logged in, navigate to your developer settings to find your API test keys, your publishable key, and your secret key. These are crucial for connecting your Laravel app to Stripe. Next, we'll use Composer to install the official Stripe PHP SDK into your Laravel project. This library provides all the necessary tools to interact with the Stripe API efficiently. For security, it's best practice to store your Stripe secret key in your application's environment variables. This prevents sensitive information from being hard-coded directly into your codebase. On the front end, you'll implement Stripe elements. These are pre-built, customizable UI components that allow your users to securely enter their payment details directly into your form, without that sensitive data ever touching your server directly. In your Laravel backend, you'll receive a token representing the payment information from Stripe elements. With this token, you'll then use the Stripe SDK to create a customer and then process a charge, making the payment happen. We'll also demonstrate how to handle potential errors during the payment process and provide clear success or failure feedback to your users, ensuring a smooth transaction experience. By following these steps, you'll have Stripe payment processing integrated into your Laravel application, ready to accept payments and grow your business online. Stay tuned for more advanced tips.